Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix MECCHA CHAMELEON game crash error, and the error is an unreal process has crashed UE-Chameleon, GPU crash dump triggered error, or if you're getting fatal error or low level fatal error on PC, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2. Modify game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. But you have to right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game and then click on properties, and in the launch options first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the MECCHA CHAMELEON game properties. This time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the MECCHA CHAMELEON game properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to delete MECCHA CHAMELEON saved game folder. Now please take a note. You will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first if you want to keep the backup. So here how to delete the MECCHA CHAMELEON saved game folder. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So check mark hidden items, then open the app data folder, then open the local folder. And inside the local folder, you will see Chameleon folder. First right click on it and then select copy and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. And after deleting it, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to check and make sure date, time and time zone and region is correct on your PC. So right click on this date and time and then open the adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on. Make sure time zone over here selected properly, and under the additional settings click on sync now, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to type this code one by one. You can copy and paste this code from my video description. I have provided this code in my video description. So paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy the second code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the last code, paste it over here, hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. You can see over here. So type over here EXIT exit and then hit on enter. This will close the command prompt and then just restart your PC. It is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to switch internet connection. Now, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. You can also turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, turn on your Wi-Fi router, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on I agree to the license terms and condition and then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Click yes to allow. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. So if you have the game on Steam, then go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the MECCHA CHAMELEON game folder. Now here you will see the Penguin Hotel exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then open the Chameleon folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. and here you will see Penguin Hotel Win64 zipping exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab. And in the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 9 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the MECCHA CHAMELEON game folder. Select this Penguin Hotel exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and this time open the Chameleon folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Penguin Hotel Win64 zipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding both the exe file, go back and then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the MECCHA CHAMELEON game folder. Select Penguin Hotel exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, and this time open the Chameleon folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Penguin Hotel Win64 zipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the MECCHA CHAMELEON game and then click on OK to save changes. This is just an example. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 10 is to update your graphics card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via the AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search for NVIDIA app and then open the NVIDIA app. Go to the driver sections and here you will see check for updates icon. Click on it. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after a PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update option. And if there are any updates available, then update it. And after updating your graphic card drive, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the MECCHA CHAMELEON game folder. Then open the Chameleon folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this Penguin Hotel Win64 zipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list, expand it, and next to GPU preference from the drop down, select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 12 is to turn off on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, again type graphics settings and open it. Now here you will see advanced graphics settings, expand it, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off and you will need to restart your PC for this change to take effect. So restart your PC and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is already turned off, then turn it on, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Expand the display adapters. Here it is, expanded. And this is the integrated graphic card driver. Right click on it and select disable device and click on yes to confirm. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and then enable the integrated graphic card driver. Fix 14 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game. This is just an example I'm showing with another game. So you have to right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game, select properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to set power saver in power options, or you can also try different power plan and check. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Go to hardware and sound, click on power options. Now in my case it is showing balanced, but in your case if it is showing power saver, then select the power saver option and then try to launch the game and check. If power saver doesn't work, then you can also select high performance and then launch the game and check. So you can either select power saver or high performance and check which one works for you. Fix 16 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MECCHA CHAMELEON game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. And here in the general tab you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 17 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrust Master Racing Wheel, and the taskbar Afterburner, River Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 18 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall MECCHA CHAMELEON game on your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing to another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve MECCHA CHAMELEON crash error. An unreal process has crashed UE-Chameleon, low level fatal error or fatal error, or GPU crash dump triggered error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.